A hidden gem tucked away in the deep west, welcome to Albuquerque, New Mexico. Made famous by their hot air balloon festival, the city sees sunshine over 300 days of the year. While visiting the city, you'll eventually be asked red or green to determine your chili preference. Displaying a stunning glow of pinky red color, the Sandia Mountains emphasize their name, which means watermelon.
Hey, my name's Jared Bridge, and I pastor Anchor Church North. We're here today with Corey Skipper, who pastors Anchor East. Now, our vision is anchoring people to Christ by planting churches that love God, love others, and make disciples who do the same. We've had the privilege of being able to start 5 churches in our city. Our church is about 12 years old, and we're so grateful for our local association, our state convention, and the North American Mission Board. Sin Network has sent us out, and they've enabled us to be able to send others out as well. You know, Corey, recently you guys have done a lot of things to engage the city.
Yes.
But what are you guys here at Anchor East doing to make every day count for the kingdom?
That's a great question. Trying to make sure that we're getting our name out there in the community, making connections. A great example is just earlier today, we were helping a family move. Last week, we were invited to go meet families at the local high school, just right down the road, less than a mile from here. Got to meet with like 200 or so families, one-on-one, handing out flyers, introducing myself, telling them about the church. In fact, another awesome example would be right before our grand opening on Easter Sunday, that Saturday before, we went out to the park, again, right across the street from us, and took, I think it was 1,000 pre-filled Easter eggs. Went out there, invited a bunch of families, but then also we're looking organically for just families that were already there. And we actually connected with 2 families at the park who've been coming since our launch on Sunday. So it's getting out there, getting our name out there, making connections and growing those relationships.
That's fantastic. You know, we've already seen some traction here at this church plant. That launch Sunday, how many people were able to join you for launch Sunday?
75 people, and our max capacity was 80. So it was awesome.
That's incredible. We are actually at a location right now that was a former massage parlor. The city shut it down,
Yep.
and our hopes is that we'll be able to move into the other half of this property as well. It's a hair salon, and right now we're renting half, and the other half, the owner has told us that they're saving it for us so that this can be a church. When we demoed this place and took it from the building down to the studs, we were able to see all kinds of Bible verses that were written up on the walls. And in fact, the genesis of this place was that it was once a church. So God's using us and Anchor to bring some redemption back to this facility and to bring some restoration to this city, because Albuquerque needs Jesus. So we want to thank you for listening in, and we invite you to pray for us as we try and reach people for Christ in our city.
Jared and Corey are making every day count. How about you?